Meta, previously Facebook, is bringing into play 3D avatars for Instagram. Let us explore the new edition and its impact. Hey guys, this is Asta from Paper Video. In this video, I will cover the 3D avatars or avatars, however you'd like to call them, and describe how you can make them. Plus, we will also see certain frequently asked questions and their answers. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. But before we get started, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any notifications of our new videos. So in the current news, Instagram is all set to roll out the 3D avatars, which will imbibe individuals' physical real selves into their virtual selves. This feature can be used in Instagram stories and direct messages. The people at Meta believe it to be the next evolution of social technology. However, experts in the domain see this move to compete with Snapchat's feature Bitmoji. This tussle first started in 2019 when Meta, then Facebook, launched its avatar feature in Australia. Since then, it has been extending its coverage country-wise, and now after 3 years, it has been enabled in Meta-owned Instagram as well. I can't see any avatar feature on my Instagram account. Well, that's possible because you are residing in India. This feature has been rolled out in countries like Canada, the United States, and Mexico so far. But it is soon to be rolled out in other regions as well. But you can check it out on Facebook. More on that later in this video. Will avatars have to be the same across all platforms? It has not been mandated. There are options to keep your Messenger avatars different from that of Instagram. Oh, and also you can keep an entirely different avatar for VR. Have Instagram avatars been improvised as compared to those in Meta? Minor tweaks in the avatars made all the difference. Creators have been playing around with skin shades, expressions, and varied facial features. When all this combines with 3D aspects, one cannot be less impressed with their view and improved virtual selves. Users also have access to the editor to customize their avatars even more. In one statement, Mark also said that in the near future, users might also have access to a range of avatars from expressive to photorealistic. I know, it's exciting. What was all the frenzy about Super Bowl and Avatar? Super Bowl was all in the news in February 2022. Meta had grabbed this opportunity and partnered with NFL for using outfits. So, in line with avatars, Meta had launched Super Bowl-themed merchandise, namely t-shirts. Supporters of the team got their avatar to wear these t-shirts. Oh, and one can also buy a neutral Super Bowl t-shirt if every team is their favorite, or vice versa. These t-shirts are considered promotional gears for avatars. They act as an income stream for the platform. How are they claiming to be inclusive avatars? Inclusion in the sense that they do not want anybody to feel left out, meaning a disabled person should also be able to relate to avatars, and hence for their inclusion, Meta has made sure that tools like implants, wheelchairs, hearing aids, and more are also enabled in new avatars. So, can I create my own avatar? Oh yes, totally. However, it sounds very fascinating to create an avatar. Believe me, it's very simple. Also, no one knows you better than you do, so your best bet for creating an avatar of yours is on you. How do I create an avatar? You first decide the purpose of creating avatar, whether you want to share it with your friends or promote it as a business image of yours. If you want to share it with your friends, you can simply choose from any Meta-based social media account to create one. And in case you are really particular about your avatar, you may design it with free and paid services on Google. Oh, tell me more about options to create it on social media account. So you can choose to create an avatar either on Instagram or on Facebook. However, some people are finding it hard to spot it on Instagram. However, the difference is not much, so we will see the process of creating an avatar on Facebook from scratch. Some steps may feel obvious to you too, still I recommend following them step by step. 1. Make sure that you have a proper Facebook app. Facebook Lite at times does not have the option of avatar. 2. Open the Facebook app. 3. On the extreme top right, locate 3 small horizontal lines. It indicates more. Click on it. 4. You will see shortcuts. Scroll down and locate. Click See More. 5. Spot avatars in the options. Select it. 6. Now select features as and when the options come. 7. Select the skin tone. Go to the next option, and just a tip, don't worry if you select anything wrong, you can always come back later and change it. 8. Select the hairstyle that most relates to you. They may option with long, short or medium hair. 9. Next comes selecting face, and Meta is very particular about providing exact replicas to users when it comes to face. Hence, you get 3 categories for describing it, namely face shape, complexion and face lines. 10. Then after, choose an eye shape and color for avatar. 11. Now select the shape and color of your eyebrow. 12. If you are wearing spectacles, you can choose them too, so it looks as spectacular as you are. 13. Next comes choosing a nose. The nose is a unique feature. You would want to be precise while selecting it. Making faces and staring at a mirror may help. 14. Then after, choose mouth and lips. 15. If you're a man, choose from the range of beards available. It sure makes you look like you. 16. Once you're done with the face and its features, choose body shape. 17. Finally, you get to select your outfit. I mean, your avatar's outfit, of course. Select next and done. And ta-da! Your avatar is all set for sharing. If you feel like making any tweaks, you can use the trial and error method till you get that avatar perfect. Thank you for listening, and do share your experience of making avatars in the comment section. This is Asta from Paper Video, signing off.